Raja Casablanca and Ebo and Alpha in Swatremanso any team my friend Constantine Ebo and so a CAF Confederation Cup in the side games and me must necessary Casamates any Ghost Stars Nebo and Alpha Santo Kotoko and so in Swatreman and so intimate boy and side games Nano and so intimate Emma so and some kakra if you hope me the air to your chef for near tea for him Nanyampa Tina Gema Ebaso Legon Cities and the Mediaman and Afe Deputy Captain and my team my friend Mediaman my friend Apia Kubi Michocho Mucho Pa Fijasi Boya Neze yesterday adeni naneze yene noa and a team and Tueno and so a games are ever live Nyamepa a match with 2 no Legon Cities ni Mediama live on Metro TV net 2 na fe Alpha Samsung Beche United ni Adriana and so live Globe na fe ubenya Hearts of Folk and the Heart of Lions are and also Basso Metro TV net 2 na fe Alpha Accra Lions and so Basso Metro TV net 2 and na fe Alpha na fe GF omo YouTube channel so Basso na fe GF app no so ebetimi abaso a eno ene senoma no and so esi kwa fe yeni nkomo Legon Cities ene mediama game na Basso no Apia Kubi deputy captain ma timu a your friend Mediaman was ombeko no makwa akoye adwuma na said omu coach ndabiada okase bend the grass no meko na if won't go bend the grass no enso Legon Park.
Before we started the season, I think the management board gave us a task. And then looking at the task, we can't afford to be dropping points. So we, the team, we've decided to go match after match. And then our next match is Legon City. So we are focused to go there. And then as coach always said, to bend the grass. So we are ready to go and bend the grass. And then I know that with God on our side, we'll be able to get a point.
Someone Pia Kubi and so the two and we ask now Munsel no a doors because Mekai Tama na me born at 12 na Pia Kubi born at 10. This obo media my deputy captain. Na metia meka no honzemi. Abrabono imunsema no ndi have just for na say o me proud of you ni adwuma wonso utime ye. Na Pia Kubi side nkomo be mo nse say no media ma for next me yin say on na deputy captain. E de media ma na yebusa no say saade na ye dia bone nsa no e de any pressure ban was na fefo abaye nto nso be
Really an honor to be the vice captain of this great club, and then looking at the works that my seniors, those that left Baba, Kosidunsu, Atinga, the work that they've set up for us, we the captains that they've selected. I think it's a big task, and then we are hoping that as they have laid the foundation, we will be able to continue as they left it. And then with the match that we played, as coach already said, it was a very tough game, but I'm glad that we won. And then me personally, the goalkeeping department, we got a clean sheet to start the season, which is very positive for us.
I know I am someone Apia Kubi, and so add to your positivity. Season we na no as for na yatawachi. So when I knew my nebia and so intimi enya kama and so etimo ho no nsam kakra and also free ho ba yade to yahwefo ne atie for dem na Hearts of Folk and so etu kwan awuram kwando no mane Heart of Lions and na ebo na ahead of the game no amafo adi nkomo bebre e dey fa sa match no na coach Efina Abubakar Watara head coach e dey match me Efina Hearts of Folk ahead of Heart of Lions game no say and na coach Efina Abubakar Watara and so dey atuja.
I think it's tough match. Heart of Lions is one of the most strong team in this league. Since I came, we play 2 times against them, but it's not easy. In Kumasi and Accra or more Cup, I think they have a strong side. I think away matches, for me, away or home, as a folk need to get a good result. Good result, learning to go play just like that. We have a plan. We are going to play and trying to get maximum success, maybe to bring something else to continue the rest of the game.
I know someone coach Abubakar Watara edit to just say on my corner if you want to bomb homodin or about 2 games I say and said I'm costed on Pernomoko we know on my call never more say on the 3 maximum points no best if you can do at the about Accra and no and then small panino at the to Jana. Yes, some said him so pani first game no lose you a month for Dinko Benosi Munyan to was here a 34 matches back up and no matimia lose into dynasty in some of the 2 Jano say.
All the criticize are here. I will take it. As a folk, it's not a club, it's the institution. We have an institution. Anything, everybody is inside. Everything can happen. It's the football. We have 34 matches, we play one. The end of the league may end important for us. Apart from God, who is perfect. Everything we are doing, human being can be perfect. And we are accepting the criticized to go forward. All the criticized are here.
And then some more point two just say, oh, Munyan to Boasia, Yafini has started. Munyan to Boasiana, a Fabian to me, come on, Yakupon Kwan no Quafo, Yakupon Kwani Pa, or you're perfect. Nani Paddy, over then why perfect. Into Munyan to Boasiana has a folk, no, an institution to be a hombi, and then some more coach Abaka Watara, and so added to that. Now, all twas no say, Atem the DNA Dawson, Atem the DNA Dawson, Senke Castle more criticizing on Quadia. Atem the dear no.
I understand the reaction of the fans. I understand. If somebody don't love you, he can criticize you. And the people laugh too much, it's normal. If the people laugh as a folk, when we lose a match, the people can talk. The only things I regret is the insult. The criticize is normal.
Okay.
To criticize team, all these things is part of the game. By insulting the players and the coaches and everything, I think the insult can't resolve anything. I understand.
And the coach Abaka Watara says, Atem the DNA, would it attempt my dear Chikrana, or lose worry, but won't criticize it. More criticize ya obeja tumna fe watimi atoto to nneema mano enso atimi atoto to di ntia and then someone opening area to dwa e dey ma yahwefo ne atifo ene enso e tip of jumadi ne so na owura ya friend Yusuf Al Hassan Chepsa e former player ma Kumasi Asante Kotoko so wa futuo bi e dey ma players na futuo ne say players no aya mon challenge mo ho
yemre no na challenge ye ho. And the games ni nyana easy. A bit to me then tough. And now if you first half ever na go yen she go a bad dressing room a Mikael captain Joe Enrich Michael Ose Emba Nana Hindua on my team warning say I say so much we yen pelus. Players no ya ankasa the challenge on yen pelus. It can be the first bia you win no e was a win. And no my players in now to say nyina no ya drink kokoro. Nyina you go near target na eyoko e wo say nya win ampa so match ne dey said dey enko be 90 minutes ne dey atena ba kombinato wo se ne dey 3 points score ne ni giaba
ntiano ne Samuel Yusuf Chepsa enso e dey etu dwa say omo challenge omo ho nti 3 captain no bo omo di no nti we no na say Freddy Kasari Justice Blaine afa Indogani match mo bo first half ni mo dimpe mo na mo boys ne mekasa na fe wuntumi challenge mo zamadwe at all cost e say 3 points no e kokuma na say the free baba yara sports stadium na emo ma bibia ntimi nkoyi na osadi nkomo bi we players ne de na ode mo na to management no so nsem say e no ka e de kire management say aya omonye
Togum coach any Dr. Kusiapia any Nana Madaroma e so pe say am challenge players no your time no na bantuma ene na me chiao games bi o ha na bantuma ene timi tua bonus no maye o discussion envelope mo bia de o se bonus ni match we ni pe 3 points me peshe 3 points mo sha mo fa mo sha me jiska no na skana be die se me wie no 190 na o ma on sa me jiska no nko AC into management yes me do be bia mo so mo challenge mo source of motivation Montro challenge man kolano match we ye pe 3 points cook or crook ye pe 3 points bonus ni nie mo sha obi an first kanu mo sha e beje
etiano ne se wa Yusuf Al Hassan Chepsa e de etudwa ntino sanke kwakobo match bi mu odin mu discana sham mama boys ne de no kwasem no say win bonus ne hiom che omo salary no hiom che salary no ntino mu de mo omo say be bo ma no man enso atimi akoyi na etete so oboase clean sports ni omo ba be use sasa no kotoko betima zo muntimi use na bia nkosi enne wotena de bia bi betimi ababontam yetimi yehu but oboase clean sports edum na no yesi team B ba ho na team no wonsem nyame na meka opani oye MP for Boase West wona bokwa kukwaaten edi nkomo na nkomo die no on team a eba Obuasi no yenko na yentie nsɛm a honorable enso eka ediafa Obuasi Sporting Club yebape de aka no yerebeto aso
Obuasi ma ye team te ye pese ye kwa akọ premier gina kakra na ye float shares Obuasi ni na ote Buasi nko ade a wo pese oto shares mo ye be mo wato shares ye mu bi no ye be boa na team no enya sponsorship any ade na aboa no but team a me pese ochina menye Obuasi MPB wa Obuasi man etimi hwe omu team omu wo na nyame aboa na sa atem ye du premier ye kase Obuasi Sporting Club honorable kuku kwati na eden odi jaye
Ntino anche na se Mr. Boadumu be kwa to shares was Sporting Club Mr. Boadumu kwa to shares kwa to shares David so ni say you know David and
Mr. Boadumu
David nya no
o don pa ya yi
mo kwa to shares was Sporting Club na make was
What's it?
Ungo to shares Hey,
and you make my mom come back.
David back with David.
Me as one meet me, I can't travel.
Yes, sir.
So, what is what I mean? What is what come out about?
Or I want to know to go back to you for free. No.
So do you have free on Vanche?
Dabun Vanche. Do that sign up. What's that?
You know. Well, man, man, wapa.
So, the Vanche team was Sunday.
Now, be honest, and I make it post to be said. I am honest. A new Friday was slips. Edo say.
Some Shimu met many baby.
And I mean, who okay, counting
many baby 68.
68. And a better for you because I'm moving more Mukita 106. A be 74. I say, Mommy, I bet you a weekend.
Oh, you have to want to was an os necessary. Do you have to want to? My dear, 1,000 Mrs. Shah, come on, you are Judah, but what's a come on, chef? You bought pay. Obi best seg about say the good girl
sometimes maybe I'm the referee but I won't the referee no kwa the game was can be show.
Yes.
So the Anthony Taylor the Chelsea match. There's a fourth game. We did 2 matches.
Now only almost said I'm the matches.
No Taylor.
Because
you will be uncle me. They say I say so abroad.
Say mutim baby mutim. Some born efe.
Oh, they never can answer man fool.
Well, Bobby say Saddam Tiniti he never. Saddam don't never.
Man you.
Man you never.
Man will form.
For the
when I say we start season fufra, was a transitional period beyond yana ubenya challenges.
Coach now what not 3 years not transitional period.
So what season squad anymore.
Hey,
I'm man time. I juman do.
And you on one akope more yes
yeah boy. Juman do bit me ayo. Jaha, only my juman answer structures no. And you know more structures ever mind. Oh, so that on Sunday should have been.
Yes, we be a jam series. As a way, in Fracomapom, first young yes, and
my main friend too, when him said, and our matches out of Pinano, and so about so right after international break, and Friday, we know, and so I am matches as a tone, I know, and I just a baby, crying, I'm a game sound, I was about swinging, I know, and also let me about, and your real Betis, our Primera Division, Omukema Ebasono, woman in the Ghanese, and about 7 and a side game, and about Subokua, your father said, Dortmund. Our Bobo Kuano, Amasweno, and some I signal doing on the side. Your father's a high Denham and elbow, and what you sent to Timono, woman some money Lee, about Archers, and your gamer, who call a French league in San Martino, and on some other basso are on something in Ano, yet the Emma, yet for an anno pay, and some our shoulders who are bra, yet can match us. I was a basso, I'm saying Yamia Duma, watching on a side, I found a Real Madrid, woman some other crowd essence, woman game, woman cockabon in Ano. Some other Bobo Cravan Society and elbow. Now a tricky game our match we no and no then about 7 o'clock our Ghana and just a Real Sociedad and the side your fans are Real Madrid game no and no some Abasoro report to me say can say medical dia to them say manager I fans Ancelotti so no oba make changes oba find a solution and some other man the boys no and unti wa branya me much na omo game Abaso middle no metesa Luka Modric and your branchia your fans say Federico Valverde omo me no and some other start omo game no na sabase bia maintain me no start match no and some our medela report to me no say Arda Gulash ono ye 1 and af Ibrahim Diaz aye 2 emu baako and some other be kwakoja ayade se team no and some our pitch no so na chese emu baako abeka o na mponi e kan say midfield trial and some aye adwuma a chese ne game and aye ochena and so abaso na jamesa kan say player ye fan say Danny Kafaya say ade baako no say me dia beto twasa wo mo twen say daban ana boy ne betiase no I extended a contract ama saida ye fan say Madrid me no ka say no jamenya no nyina no say Kafaya ye say boy ne say Jacoba so mo ka na say bia ntiase ye adwuma ama parties ne nyina no wo mo so atutum dia wonom aba extended a contract no and so adama Madrid and wache say Jacoba sempo watena bi wono Kafaya entimi extended a contract no and so ama Madrid no sempo o say na bi watena bi oni Madrid a wontimi nkoso mo ball e wo chese corona ye fan say Spain and also Europe ama ni nya ye essence wono our papa ade maboboku a ye fan say Madrid our bro say out of respect our and some ade Madrid nti no ontimi bobo biem and some our Europe our bra that to be no either say be obeko US and say be Asia or baby and chese no boy no and some abekwa the some ni nyina no and some ama ye chofa and pain our shows and what you know say the urban say we ram our branch our say Memphis Depay what him say boy nam akopro na amanfo se obi a wo be say be 30 nam ankababo bo our Europe no wo ko aye proso akoye de enwa wo mo som apa ne hontoma ama chance unveiling about our near ye fan say Corinthians amaso eno ana wo hwa bi ensom our team no so na chance no team ye fan say Corinthians amo ensom ana unveiling a branch na ye fan say now Dubai say yama to jasa among for bisasa ai and obi abo Europe ba ne say wo padan our South America was one no wo popo e de tia teams a wo office South America onum said yo mo ball no a city are highly competitive entina say bia wan boy Europe no ba bronzo e be sia kan asem ama Corinthians a wo diri e basa bronzo no wo mo som e ne kan say football mecca and said the anu Muslim for and some mecca no wumpa mecca emu footballer wajiri yabasa aye bronzo Corinthians so anacha sanyo mani nyina no ensom akwaso yentensem abrantia ye fan said Depay and man central for N1 ajo.
In Europe we play at a high level. Why you are in your prime, you are 30 years, why do you come to play in the Brazilian league? I think that we have to acknowledge where authentic football coming from as well. You know, a lot of stars coming from Brazil. We know a lot of big football players. As I say, I think, you know, it's the mecca of football. You know, it's where Joga Bonito that
yes na chesa Joga Bonito samba soccer ho ana aye mecca of football ana chesa branchia ya fan said to Pagana in this year no one some madini sem nyina to twa achesa won sem no ya de ebanyame armo na Madrid ba aye Sunday ana FC Barcelona wo so game eba so awe omo ko Girona na Girona former chomone pass eba no de menya na no pay and some ana say yes stadium no and so abaye full essence bounce our form Barca eba krom ana aka Girona last season so man for Barca for one chomo Barca wo mo yo mo adwuma bruta mo say am say da bia emu ba gono emu ba dey to mo say be so ama man for to take it nyame ya duma aye Sunday ana sa game no and some abaso atemi no say aye full stadium ana sa game no wo mo so akakabo na manager fan sans flick yes coach na na dwen san komo match no what dey Ansu Fati ebe wuram na no de minya no se manager no yese obasa we are very cautious on pose we ba risk akwadana for se fact no maka chos wo ji akwadana di enti this season boy ne benya boni bi abo ne wonto na outro ne de na so manager no na se bi akwadana ba wuram de minya no se aye likely say nyame ya doma midweek omo game o se baso I was UEFA Champions League Bobakua ye fa no Barca and Monaco enom ana chance aye game and so fati ebetimi abama hono no pay no ye den update no so adema akoda ne fa se Gavi and one opa wa be di dwuma de fa se full time emma ana me catch us Gavi no one the rest of the team so a training I trust aye good news adama Bobakua ye fa no Barca as last year ana Gavi a prior with damage ACL abama Wacha bruta wobetumi akoba safe ansa na 120 enra na good news the me nyano sa akoda no mete se bonsa abesa wom western day the contract no enso adema no said be abon abesta for longer period and also some update ba akoda na ye fan say Lamin Jamal wom busa abon sa na mo koji shuros na mo jimani mo bon ma mo sa mo call the senior adeni nyina no yeso mo twa bi pa Lamin Jamal so onom Wonomonsa na ono ye cook ana ono me na me se obeka no kra over 70 ukotwa bi one years o we are is a school no we are sa was ono obi a won twa bi onomonsa na ayi no fire chese enom celebrations about so nyina no na de oye omobusa no on Ballon d'Or Lamin Yamal say Ballon d'Or no wo kan okra odiriye basa fi enya ne dia odiriye basa sisi we ye come on beche Ballon d'Or de so mo na so a wono Lamin Yamal enya de so Ballon d'Or no wono abetumi age na Ballon d'Or enkoma ye to play abako a amanfo diriye basa wono ana wo so oje aya branche na ye fan say Rodri Abraham Vinicius Junior ano aye update any latest amina na Chesebia yo say should Bellingham and Chesebia Vinicius abetia make catch and Real Madrid ebenya adena Barca ye be Barca 2010 podium no some am first 3 no mo nyina popo em Barca no bi and Real Madrid abeso mo nyane mom woman kase ya wesa Rodri former wom and what player of the tournament ni nyina no woman timinya final 3 and some our simpia no so mani ye sa story no me de abroad data me no kasai report to me nyina no sam and Rodri no was say yaman to just so pure carbontia nipa pina who am say ai when I was a Ballon d'Or oje on also Ballon d'Or oje Ronaldo nom and Leo Messi mo era ababa senko and what ya de sansafinom and some any niesta ball mo boy ya woman timi anya Ballon d'Or arches Spain amino nipa ba coupe and ajibi na what's what asa was oje Rodri eso pia womo tai e catch on yente Rodri on Ballon d'Or.
We have imagine for me to be in the conversation that the people when I walk into the street they say to me you're gonna win the Ballon d'Or, you deserve it. For me I'm only a winner, already a winner with this, the people that they believe that I can be the best player in the world and telling me this kind of things for me is incredible. I never dream about this. But once you are in this situation, this position, because a lot of years of work, a lot of trust on yourself, and the help of other people, you think about this award, and being there is just unbelievable. So let's see what happens. For me, everything is gonna be great. Being with my family in this stage. Of course, it makes me illusion doing it. I'm not gonna deny. I wish not because it's me. Maybe with Carvajal, or maybe in the next years, because we have a great generation. We have a Spanish player that can lift this trophy. It will be good for football, and it will be good for the country. Imagine.
Yes, and I am some branch events Rodri way so a latest once again on Ballon d'Or what they ba just I want something now yet Emma yet final person I was shown so the mean say who run our manager Fansa Mikel Arteta and run up and I make catch why stand a contract and what yes here I has 3-year deal and a manager sign a transfer now just a man sitting on Yanko and say be a city for the first one and a very blessed manager Fansa Gajola manager is stay for a long longer period. Now after saying or extend here, I'ma just edu Gaspar nominum panifua. Woman come coach manager fans are Tatano and what Tata say and you may be and a manager says so by extend Amatimno. Ever since somebody appointment a man of one and I said what think Kasan Omodono and Panfon Omo in an Obia and some Panasam Omodono and after two. Woman I respect on who coaching your fan said Mikel Arteta Tinedisa say I was so extended at the Matinum or Shadow send the pa and a chess and you may also in and no some Abam Yintia coach your friend Mikel Arteta.
Proud, really special day, very excited and just looking forward, looking ahead what is coming and very, very excited. It was the people and it was the ambition of the club. I feel extremely lucky to work every single day with the good people that we had in the organization. I start from my coaching staff where they are relentless, supporting me, challenging me, inspiring me, giving me ideas, making me a better coach, better person every single day.
Yes, and I can't free the Gunners almost sweat and pay. And so I was shown us a fair young Manu and Ronaldo and said some alcohol some up by and manager. Your father said I return I got by now the pre-match conference about so okay so I may catch on say me to say game against Southampton manager in Lucia one share bet me up pamono men confirm me and also man confirm me say a bet me up basam for the Jano Quine Emma Louis Saha omunyina so can be Enra na Jamina and Nano pre and say one busa coach and says Southampton a game no and you be I must win I share so was some man you epo omumpo I also Manchester Southampton watching and some now Marisana was what did you pass our second biaso when we win every game and yes Southampton at Yankwa now more cast I know on Yadian was sending in on the coach and say well come on must want to say baby I'm you and I'm the crown of Manamsono and this is the way now just say the right direction a queen now so and I just a man and I'm the planning what that's yeah and I'm say now what is Ronaldo say what was say I'm Premier League and Champions League you know Muntimin you know was a me kind what kind article ya ayo no Ronaldo mom and I cast ebia team ni mention mom one no tag party on kai na as Ronaldo ko bia no opinion our Saudi Arabia ne just England dia bra emutwi o answer we long distance relationship there be a phone so engineer said you sit bia what can adwa obia no na dwenkyere into okay babia on akwan o far away na so teams asem na twafo mo ha beduru no na manfo chinchim asem tebia Ronaldo no wanted yes as babia won kwan wa papa yentie coach no
he said that Manchester United can't win the Premier League.
He said that you
no he said this. If you read the article very well. So he's far away from Saudi or far away from Manchester, so everyone can have and is entitled to have an opinion. It's okay. We will see where we are in May next year. It's very early in the season and yeah, it's about winning trophies, be as high as possible of course in the league, do
yes, and no, I can't manage an area to try your brand 930 Ben Chilwell. Make an awesome try and a chance for the Premier League squad ever. Yes, sister Bame who piece of it me Ramono, Carabao, Chromosomo Mahomo, Open Premier League. I had 25 months squad winner, Radin Aron Semino. Yabba Brano Pebima, Liverpool Timono, Van Dijk, yes, also any Papiaco. Jack and Samu Bakamas, boys and Enrameka, I yet am not Sikasam. Van Dijk is also any Papiaco, Sikasam. Aha, Timu Jamudia and your boys in the best and the young common 930 your bar Jasu
Amen fufuri yedao me pocho balance na wakan fama mo wo fufuru
kwado ye wo fufu tintintimo eye Kennedy fufu machine ani ye de ye adwuma wa
machine kwani
awu se fufu ne nei wo ba ye ante me do ko Kennedy digital satellite e wo wada